Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Mi 10i smartphone. The first step in the setup process is to choose and set the default language you want the phone to use. Next, select the location that you're from. In our case, India is the default region. And moving on, accept the terms of service and privacy policy to move forward, after which the phone will automatically detect the SIM card. Next, connect to the network. And in the next slide, you need to accept the terms of Google services. The smartphone will also ask you to set a password, fingerprint, or face unlock. You will also be asked to toggle some additional settings. Finally, you'll be asked to choose a theme. And that's how you set up the Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching.